Ready?
Okay, cool. Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sweeney Hire, and today we're going to give you a quick demo. Some quick ideas. Give you a quick look at the attachments that come with it. Take two. Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sweeney Hire, and today we're going to give you a quick look at some of the attachments that come with our 1.7 ton mini excavators. We're doing a blog post on this, so if you want to know more about them and see more photos and everything, we'll leave the link down below for you to head over to the blog post once it's written. So first things first, buckets. These are our non-standard buckets. We have some out with the machines, but the machine automatically comes with a 300 gummy bucket, a 450 jigging bucket and a 900 batter bucket. That's a standard with the machine, but a lot of our concreters and plumbers and all that might look for a non-standard bucket. So some of those that we have are, we've got a 200 gummy, we've got a 300 tooted, we have a 400 gummy and a 450 gummy, but that one's out and higher. The concreters love those for footings. Got a 600 as well. And then this one here at the back is, I don't know if Steph can see it, I'll just move these out of the way. It's a sieve bucket. So if you've got rocks and stuff and you want to separate them, you've got the sieve bucket to shake away the dirt from the rock. And then over here we've got the ripper. This one is awesome for tree roots. So if you want to get out some roots or some stumps, it helps to really get in between the roots and then loosen it up and pull those roots out. Whereas these could get caught, you know, on the roots. This one will get in between all that. Next up we have the hammer or the rock breaker. What else is it called? Breaker, rock breaker, hammer. This one is great for concrete, taking up concrete, or if you've got any big rocks that you need to make smaller, or if you've got any rock built into the ground and you're trying to level an area. So that's that one. Then here we have the auger. So you can use the auger for your fencing, planting, drilling test holes. Some people like to auger footings for foundations of houses or fence panels, etc. There's different auger sizes. At the moment we've got a 150, a 200, 300 and 500, and then they all go down a meter. And then there's also a 1.2 meter extension bar which can be put on in between the two, so they can so you can get down to 2.2 meters. And then we have the block grab, so that just goes onto the front of the digger and you can just kind of place it on the block like that and then lift up your block for when you're doing limestone blocks. Finally, we have one other attachment, but it's over here, so Steph will bring you guys over because it's too heavy for me to lift. And this is our 5-fingered grab. That one's pretty cool. It's awesome for, again, moving concrete. We had a guy demo a boat and take all the stuff away. Trees, if you're cutting down trees, you can then pick up the whole log and move it. So a variety of options with that one, and we can insert some photos into the video. And be sure to check out the blog post down below that Steph will write up with some examples of all this stuff, some prices and how you can book these attachments if you need any of them. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching everyone. If you want some more tips and tricks about our machines, make sure to smash that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Cheers!